Okay. Hi, welcome to another episode of PSDtv. I'm your host, Alix, and today I've got Martin Hargerdahl. He's the President of Ericsson Power Modules, and we're going to talk about the future, right?
Yes, we are. And we are here to launch 3 new products. It's a PIM, 1000 watt in a PIM, 20 amps.
A 20 amp, 1000 watt PIM?
Yes. And we're talking about a IBC 458. It's 650 watts in that. And we're talking about 120 amp point of load.
Now, 120 amp point of load, I mean, how does the board handle that? I mean, doesn't that start putting more responsibility on the board itself to provide the bus and the vias to supply that much power to the point of load?
Yes, you're perfectly right. It does. But we see with our customers that they're actually able to handle that, and they're actually able to handle even higher power and higher currents than that.
So do you see an upper limit right now on the point of load, or is it almost the sky's the limit?
I think it's the sky is the limit right now, actually, because we are actually preparing the 120 amp to be paralleled in 4 to offer a total of 480 amps, which is huge.
That is huge, and it's very interesting to see how the progression has come. I remember when 50 watts was considered a lot for a point of load. When 5 volts, they were debating about how much power you can handle within a device, how much you have to step down, the regulation. Those are really important issues, but it seems like you've really overcome a lot of them.
Yes, we have. And we see that individual modules will deliver up to maybe 200 amps in the next 1 to 2 years.
Really? And what do you see the primary application spaces of these devices?
It's mainly the cloud industry that is driving this whole development right now.
So the server farms?
The server farms, exactly. And of course the very, very high, very advanced processors within these server farms are driving the need for power right now.
Got it. Are there any other applications, like maybe advanced robotics or something that could utilize that kind of power density?
I think so, but we're not seeing the same need within advanced robotics. However, we are seeing the need for digital power within advanced robotics.
Well, that would make a lot of sense, because you really have to have precise control, and the more control you can input into the system, the better off you are in a case of robotic system.
Yes, I'm sure. So it's both the control aspect, but also the energy efficiency. Everybody today is looking for energy efficiency. And we have put together some numbers that we can share in other places, where we see that if we can save 1% overall energy in all data centers in the world today, that would mean the equivalent of saving 1 billion euros in money, or taking away the carbon footprint of 600,000 cars. So it's a huge number that we can actually contribute with savings with digital power.
Well, and one of the things that I find very interesting about all of that is the whole fact that finally greed is good in that sense, because now the facility wants to save money, and saving energy is no longer green tree hugger stuff. It's actual serious business decision.
Yes, of course. This is a serious business decision. I would not go too far to say that that's greed, because you always need to drive your company, your operations efficiently. And therefore, we contribute by driving the power trains efficiently. Well,
I was more referring to some of the markets where they're a little more lax with energy controls, environmental controls. The corporate, the companies in places like that are just exploiting the region, exploiting the situation. It actually becomes cost effective to become green.
Exactly.
Then their desire, so I guess you're right, greed is a little bit hard word, but their desire to make money and save money is actually now driving them to be efficient.
Yes, definitely, and we're seeing that everywhere. I mean, energy is a scarce resource. It will remain to be a scarce resource, at least for the next decades. And then, I mean, a saved kilowatt is saved money.
That's true. Penny saved is a penny earned.
Yeah.
Before I let you go, you have any last words for our audience?
Well, please go onto our website and check out our new products. There's more to come, and we look forward to meeting all of you in the very near future. Thank you very much, Alix.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. And I want to thank everybody out there in the audience for taking the time to be with us. We wouldn't be here without you. Tell your friends. This is Alix Paultre for Power Systems Design. Have a great day.